Hello, welcome to TextureMath. In this session, we will discuss about another method of Python, which is swapcase. So swapcase method we can use in multiple scenarios. So there are I have coded for 5 scenarios. So we will discuss each scenario one by one. Okay. So in first scenario, what we are doing on line number 9, we are storing some string to text variable, which is Sharmit, and then we are printing it as it is by concatenating this string before method used, and then we are printing the as it is string. After that we are using swap case. So on line number 11 I am storing the output of swap case into swapped underscore text variable, and here I'm using text dot swap case. So whatever the your variable which you want to convert, or you can use that variable name dot swap case and parenthesis. Okay. So what it will do, it will convert the character from capital letter to small letter. If the letter is present in capital letter, it will convert it to small letter. If letter is available in small case, then it will convert it to the uppercase. Okay. So what it will do, it will perform the case conversion in a vice versa condition. So if it is in a small case, then it will make it uppercase, and if it is uppercase, then it will make it as a small case. So on line number 12 we are printing the swap text. So let's save this and run this. So for opening the terminal, I'm using Control Shift and tilde from my keyboard. It will open my terminal, and here I will run the program using the command Python. So to run the program, you can write Python space session15.py. So what is session15? It is my program name .py, and then hit enter. So it print multiple lines of code because we have printed multiple output for all scenarios. So we will focus on the first one. So before method used, it was capital Sharmit. Now it becomes small Sharmit. So make it very clear that it is not like the upper or lower built-in function, lower or upper function. Why? Because in lower function it will only convert the lower character to uppercase, but if you are using swap case, then it will also convert uppercase into lowercase. So it depends on the character which is inserted in the string. If you are providing uppercase letter, then it will be converted to lowercase, and if you are providing lowercase letter, then it will be converted to the uppercase. Let's see and clear this in upcoming scenarios. So you can see here I am storing the string as small Sharmit, and if I go for second output, then it will show that it converts small Sharmit to capital Sharmit. Okay. Now what should be the output of this third scenario? Here we are inserting tech as a small case and Sharmit as a capital word. So what it will do, it will convert tech to capital and Sharmit to small. Just verify this. If I do scroll down, so this is my third scenario output. So previously it was a small tag, now it becomes capital tag. Previously it was capital Sharmit, now it becomes small Sharmit. So this is the advantage of using uh, swap case. It converts the character in both case. Now on fourth scenario, you can see I am writing small t, capital E, small c, capital H. So it will be converted likewise. So if I do page down, you can see small t is converted to capital T, capital E is converted to small e, small c is converted to capital C, and capital H is converted to small h. And likewise it convert for Sharmit. So this is the actual use of swap case method. So sometime there people can ask you this question in an interview, like what is the difference between upper, lower and a swap case. So upper function will only convert the small case to uppercase, whereas if we talk about lower function, then it only convert the lower case to uppercase to lowercase. But if you are using swap case, then it will convert both thing in a opposite manner. If small is there, then it will make it as upper. If upper is there, then it will make it as a small. Now we'll discuss on the fifth scenario. Here you can see I am passing the 1 2 3 4 5, which is not correct. So in this case it will not convert anything and it will show the numbers as it is. So this thing clear that we can't convert numbers to any characters because we are providing number, so obviously it should not get converted, right? So these are the scenarios, and mostly we use swap case. Let's say if there is any requirement where you are receiving the name and you want to turn it into specific characters, let's say uppercase or lowercase, then in that case you can use the swap case. So if the name is in capital letter, it will make it as small. If it is small, then we can make it as upper. Okay, so that's all about this swap case method. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechSharmat.